Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to do Exp22 Word Chapter 1 Mid-Level 1 Boss Kits. Basically this is the first chapter of Excel section of Word section of Pearson course, and in this video I will be doing this assignment step by step, and you can get your assignment done by watching this complete video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all the Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Access assignments, then you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. At start of the instruction, we are given with project description. There is nothing to solve in this project description, but I suggest you to read this project description well, because you will get an idea about after going through this project description, and this will be easy for you to solve this assignment on your own. Then we have main part of the assignment, that is steps to perform to complete this project, and we have a total of 12 steps to get this assignment done. In this video, I will be doing this assignment step by step, and you can get your assignment done by watching this complete video. So now let's start with step number 1 of the assignment. That is start Word, download and open the file named Exp22 Word Chapter 1 Mid-Level 1 Boss Kits. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. So I have already downloaded this Word document, and this is the Word document that we gonna use to solve this assignment. We will apply all the instructions, all the steps to this Word document, and we will make this Word document in the final form for the submission. So step number 1 of the assignment is just about downloading of this Word document. I have already downloaded, and you can download this from your Pearson or course dashboard. There is nothing to solve in step number 1, so let's move to step number 2. Step number 2 of the assignment is saying convert the document to a .docs file format. Change the word devotion to in the second sentence of the document to focus on. In the second paragraph of the document, change us Tupperware to use Tupperware. So we are first supposed to change the document file format to .docs. So to do this, we will go to Word document and click on file and click on save as. So now we are supposed to change this .doc to docs, this first format. So you are supposed to select this first format, that is Word document docs, okay, and click save. So now we are supposed to change the word devotion to focus on in the second paragraph. So here we can see devotion to here. Okay, we are supposed to change this to focus on this one. So let me remove this devotion to first. Okay, and we are supposed to type focus on here. Okay, now next thing to do is we are supposed to change us Tupperware to use Tupperware. Sorry, Tupperware. And this is we are supposed to do in the second paragraph. So this is the second paragraph, and we are supposed to change. This is the second paragraph, and we are supposed to change this one. Us Tupperware. We will remove this Tupperware, sorry. Remove this, and we are supposed to type use Tupperware. Use Tupperware, this one. And that is all about step number 1, where we were supposed to replace the words, okay? So now we are supposed to do next step, that is step number 3, and that is saying insert a page break at the top of the document. Click or position the insertion point before the page break indicator and insert text from cover docs. So first we are supposed to insert a page break at the top of the document. So we will click at the beginning of the document and go to layout and go to page breaks, and here we are supposed to insert a page break. So we have inserted a page break. Okay, now we are supposed to click the insertion point before this page break, and we are supposed to insert the text from cover docs. So to insert the text, we will click on the insert tab and go to text and click this arrow. So here you can see an option text from a file. So we are supposed to insert the text from the cover doc. So select this one, and now we will browse for the file. So I have placed my file in download folder. So you will look for file in your respective folder. So I will select this cover file and click insert text. So I have inserted the text from the cover document as required in the instruction. So we were supposed to insert the text from the cover document. So I have inserted the text from the cover document. So that is all about step number 3. So now let's do step number 4. Insert a continuous section break before the first body paragraph on page 2. Beginning with the viewing of basket is an art. So we are supposed to insert a continuous section break before this first body paragraph on page 2. So click before the first body paragraph, again go to the layout tab and go to breaks, and here you can see section break, and there are 3 options or different options for the section breaks, and we are supposed to insert a continuous section break. So I will select this continuous section break. So we have inserted a continuous section break here. So that is all about step number 4, where we were supposed to insert a continuous section break. So now let me do step number 5. Format text following the section break in 2 columns with a line between. Format the text following the section break into 2 columns with a line between. Okay, so we are supposed to convert all of this text starting from this to the end of the document. So we will select all of the text. Okay, so I have selected all of the text. Now we are supposed to format this text into 2 columns with a line between. For this purpose, go to layout tab, okay, and click on columns arrow. So click more columns. So now we will select 2 columns because we are supposed to format this text into 2 columns. So select this option, but we are supposed to make sure that there should be a vertical line between these 2 columns. So I will select this option or check the box for the line between. Click OK. So now you can see that we have formatted the text into 2 columns with a line between. And that, okay, then it is saying find the word tolerate. Select the word and use the treasure to identify a synonym that begins with the letter B. Replace the word tolerate with the synonym. So we will first select the word. We will first search for this word. So click anywhere and click Ctrl F. Press Ctrl and F and search for this word tolerate. So we got the word tolerate here. Okay. So we will select this word. Select this word. Okay. Go to the review tab and click here. So now we are supposed to replace this word with the letter begins with letter B. With the word begins with letter B. So this is starting with the letter B. So click insert. So we have replaced the word tolerate with beer. Okay. And that is all about step number 5, where we were supposed to replace the word tolerate with a word starting with letter B. So I have replaced the word tolerate with the bear. Okay. So that is all about step number 5. So we are done with step number 5. So now let's do step number 6. Include a page border around only the cover page. Include a page border around only the cover page. Ensure that the page border applies only to the current section. Choose a single line border that is colored orange accent 2, dark at 25% and with a weight of 1.5. So let me go to the first page that has the cover. Click here. Then go to the design tab. And you can see page border here. Click this option. So now we are going to include a page border to this cover page. So we are supposed to include a page border. Choose a single line box border. So we will first select the setting. So that should be box border. See, because we are going to include a box border. Okay, then single line, that is the first style. Color is orange accent 2, darker 25%. This one, orange accent 2, darker 25%. Select the color. Then we are supposed to select the width of the border, this one, and apply to this section. This one. Click OK. So now you can see that we have included a cover page. Sorry, we have included a border to this cover page only. And that is all about step number 6, where we were supposed to include a border to this cover page only. Okay, we are done with step number 6 as well. So now let's do step number 7. Select the coiling heading in the right column on page 2. Bold the text and change the font size to 16 point. So first we are supposed to select the coiling heading, this one. And we are supposed to apply bold formatting. Go to Home tab and apply bold to this one and change the font size to 16 points, this one. Okay. With the heading selected, create a new style with the title subheading. Okay. So we are supposed to create a new style based on this coiling heading. So we will select this heading, go to Home tab and click the arrow below the style option. So now we are supposed to include or create a new style. So we will click on this A symbol, A with a plus symbol. Okay, and the name of new style is subheading. Click OK. So we have created a new style with the name subheading. Okay. Now it is saying apply the new style to the other subheading of coiling with sweet grass, splint weaving, round fibered weaving and 2D fibers. This one. We will apply the subheading style, split weaving, this one, then round fibered weaving, this one, and 2D fibers, this one. So we are supposed to apply the subheading style to all of these headings. So I have applied subheading style to all of these headings. That is all about step number 7. So we are done with step number 7 as well. Now we're going to do next step, that is step number 8. Modify the subheading style to reduce the font to 14 points. View the document in multiple pages to check for any unattractive or unbalanced column. Insert a page break before the coiling with the sweet grass heading on page 2. Return to 100% view. So first we are supposed to modify the subheading style. So for this purpose we will go to the Home tab and right click on subheading style and click modify. So we are supposed to change the font size to 14 point and we are not supposed to change any other things. So just change the font style to 14 points and click OK. So now you can see that font point has been changed to the 14 points. Okay. Now we are supposed to view the document in multiple pages. So click View tab and in Zoom option you can see multiple pages, this one. So now it is saying we are supposed to insert a page break before the quelling with sweet grass heading on page 2. This is page 2. This one. Quelling with sweet grass heading. So we are supposed to insert a page break before the quelling with sweet grass heading. So click before this heading, quelling with sweet grass, go to insert tab and click page break. This one. Now we are supposed to return to the 100% view. Again click on view tab and click 100%. So that is all about step number 8. So we are done with step number 8 as well. Okay. So you can see that I have solved 8 steps for you out of the 11 steps. That means I have solved 50% of the assignment for you in this video. Sorry, 80% of the assignment for you in this video. But if you want me to do this complete assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, then you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course, including all the Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Access assignments. My WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. Please contact me either through WhatsApp or email and hire me for your courses. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another powerful solution. Thank you so much again.